Did you know you can tighten your skin instantly using simple ingredients from your kitchen? No expensive treatments, no harsh chemicals, just natural, effective home remedies for firmer, younger-looking skin. If you want to say goodbye to sagging skin and hello to a youthful glow, this DIY facial is for you. Stick around till the end because I'll share a bonus tip that can boost your skin's collagen naturally. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing home skincare remedies. Let's get glowing. Step 1. Deep cleanse your skin. First, let's prepare our skin for this tightening treatment. Use a gentle cleanser to remove oil, dirt, and makeup. You can also DIY a natural cleanser by mixing raw honey and a few drops of lemon juice. This brightens the skin and unclogs pores. Pro tip: cleansing properly ensures the next steps work more effectively for tighter, youthful skin. Step 2. Apply the instant skin tightening mask. Now for the magic. Let's make an easy, powerful skin tightening mask. 1 egg white firms and tightens skin instantly. 1 tablespoon yogurt hydrates and brightens skin. Teaspoon turmeric reduces inflammation and boosts glow. Mix well and apply evenly to your face. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes until it's dry. You'll feel a slight tightening sensation. That's the mask working. Bonus tip: for an extra cooling effect, keep the mask in the fridge for 5 minutes before applying. Step 3. Facial massage for instant lift. While the mask is working, let's do a quick anti-aging face massage. This helps boost blood circulation and naturally lifts your skin. Use upward strokes with your fingertips along your jawline and cheekbones. Gently tap around your eyes to reduce puffiness. Pinch and lift motion on your forehead to smooth lines. Do this for 5 minutes daily for long-term firming results. Step 4. Rinse and moisturize for a youthful glow. Once the mask is fully dry, rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Finish with a lightweight moisturizer or a few drops of aloe vera gel to lock in hydration and keep skin plump. Your skin will instantly feel firmer, refreshed, and glowing. And there you have it, a super easy, effective DIY skin tightening facial you can do at home. If you found this helpful, like this video so more people can discover these amazing skincare secrets. Comment below, have you tried a DIY face tightening remedy before? What's your favorite natural skincare hack? Let's chat in the comments. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more home beauty tips every week. See you in the next video. Stay glowing.